Alright guys, we got a Nissan Murano here. The fog light right here is gone. The bulb is out. Customer brought me the bulb. That's the part number on it. Alright, and this is by Napa. You know, this is weird. H8, I believe that's the bulb size. And H8, yeah, that's the bulb size, H8. All right, let me just take my light away so you guys can see what we have here. All right, let's flip it over. That's what we got right there. All right, and I'm gonna show you this bulb is out, and you can have an easy access from right here, guys. Let me take this bulb, put it away so I don't break it. Let's put it right here on the hood. And if we turn on the lights, you got that bulb working, that's working, this is all working, but that is not working. All right, that is not working. Too much reflection from here, but you see that's not working. And all this is working. All right, and what we're gonna do here is we're gonna turn the wheel to the left. So make a left turn so you have a lot of clearance on that side. If you're changing this side, turn the wheel the other way, all right? If you want, let the car run, or you can just simply shut it off. All right, let's turn off the lights. All right, guys, so all we need to do here is I'm gonna pop this open. All right, remove that clip, pop this open. You should have an easy access right from back here, right, to that fog light. Or maybe we won't because of this. There's a container there. So let me take a look at it, and then we'll get back to this, or we'll go from underneath. All right, but we're gonna have to reach from in there. All right, guys, I'm back. Got me a clip remover. I got my clip right there, so all I did was remove this clip here, and then I use this to pry this out, and voila, you see that? That's a bulb down there. So all you do is you turn this and pull out the bulb. There we have the bulb. It comes all the way out, right? And then you simply need to remove this connector. Let me see if I can face my camera a little bit that way. All right, so just take your bulb, push the connector in, and you're gonna pull out the bulb, all right? So H8, all right, there it is, all right? So let me go get the new bulb. All right, and here comes the new bulb. So you take your new bulb and you stick it in, and it should click right in, all right? So all I did was you turn it counterclockwise to pull it out, and you turn it back clockwise to put it in, right? So I don't know if my camera's gonna be able to see, so let me take this and let me take my camera up, and all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the bulb in there. Let me leave it right there for now. Take this bulb, tight little spot, but guys, my camera had full memory, but I stopped the video and then I'm continuing. So a bulb is sticking in there, but it's not twisted on. So all I need to do is turn it just like that, and that's it. The bulb is in. I will put the clips in, but let's test it, guys. And if you need to do the bulb, you're gonna do the same thing on the opposite side if you need to do that one. All right, again, the H8 bulb, and there we have a working light on this side, and we got the bulb working on the other side. All right, guys, so that's it. Thank you, subscribe, and bye-bye. And I hope this video helps you guys. If you guys have any questions, just send me a message, all right? So thank you, and bye-bye.